So I bought this cool thing on or at Harborfreight. It's a Bauer 4.5 inch saw. I didn't want to have to pull out the big circular saw. I think I got a really hefty one. I thought something that was one-handed would be good for cutting something like this. And I know I got to get a better workbench situation. Every time I come across workbenches or horse saws, just to call them or anything, I keep thinking, well, I'm done doing projects. I don't need one anymore. But I probably should get one next time I see one cheap. I've seen a lot in the States those. But I'm gonna try this out. It's a Bauer. I know I couldn't get the matching. I got the Hercules blade. It's all they had at Harborfreight. But yeah, it's like, it looks like it can be one-handed. It's pretty hefty. And the instructions say to use two hands. You need one hand to support the back. It's probably advisable, okay? But I'll show you my setup in a minute. I clamped it down just to be safe since I have to have two hands on this device technically. Alright, it's my first time using it. I had to use this little tool. It comes with like a holder on it too. Well, it doesn't say that in instructions, but I saw somebody do that on YouTube and I thought it was a great idea. I don't know if that's what it's for, but worked out. That's the tool to break that that nut and be able to put the blade in. Okay, got it plugged up. Haven't used it yet. I got my project here. This is all for the chicken coop thing. Try to put an auto chicken coop door opener, but it needs some framing because there's gaps and stuff. So let me see. This is my first time. I hopefully I put it in right. Let me see. Okay. Let me see. All right, it didn't spin off. So let's see if I can keep you along for the ride. Let's see it. Did that come out? Hope so. Okay, let's clamp this other one on there. Yep, sorry. Alright, I think there's some quick little cuts I need to do. I think we're great. And it's a Bauer 4.5 inch circular saw. Don't know if they call it compact or what. I have to look at it. Alright, this is the actual box comes with it. Again, Harborfreight. It's basically the only place I get my tools, or mostly. I looked at the places. I was shopping around. A lot of places didn't even have something like this. Like nowadays, it looks like Walmart has some cheap tools, but they didn't have nothing like this. Okay, well, that didn't even fine sawdust out of that. It was about, it was like 54, 56 bucks, something like that. I got a corded one because I don't have to worry about having a battery charge when I need it. It's one thing I learned through life. I had all these drills that I could never use because I need to take time to charge the battery. And by the time that happens, you know, so I just decided to do everything plug in. Okay, I just plugged in right there. And yeah, so did quick work of it. Didn't have to pull out the huge circular saw, which would probably, I feel like would have been overkill here, but yeah, worked out good. Bauer 4.5 inch compact circular saw. Okay, it's 5.8 amp, plenty of power. Oh, and it has a vacuum attachment. if you want to, this hole right here, you can hook. Let me see if this is in here. I mean, I know it's in there, but let me. Excuse any mess I have. Okay. Okay, you hook this thing in there. Okay, and then you hook this to the side, the other side of a vacuum, and then yeah, I can get all the sawdust for you. So it's a feature I didn't see on the I think the Amazon ones didn't have that. I saw some on Amazon too that are kind of comparable in price too, but I saw some bad reviews on the Amazon one, so went with this one. All right, I didn't get time to record it, but I have this little piece of wood here. It looks good on the inside. Just cut it for the bottom here. I haven't painted it yet, but I think it's gonna make a decent frame. Hopefully I did the right sizing. I think I did. Probably be something like that. All right, looking good.